And now we're going to do stomach massage. Just letting everyone know, anytime it says massage in the Pilates curriculum, it is not a massage. It is pain. It's a trick. All right, so we're gonna do about 2 springs. You can do 2 to 3 springs, whatever you feel like. We're gonna put our foot bar in the middle. You can put yours up to the top. It is best to have a gripper for your tush. Now, classical Pilates, you want your tush all the way up to the top. That would not be us. So we're gonna slide it back a little bit to where we feel halfway comfortable. I wouldn't say this is comfortable. And we're gonna do level 1 and level 2. So we'll do round back, and then we'll go hands back into straight back. Then we're gonna transition and reach our arms outside, up overhead into high fifth. And then we're gonna go into with twist or rotation, all right? So toes are on, heels together, toes apart. Your hands are reaching forward to the front end of the carriage, and then your abs are up and in. All right, here we go. Inhale, press out, lower lift, and then exhale, suck the abs in more. And again, 2, lower lift and in. And 3, lower lift and in. So you want to zip those legs up from the back and feel like your heels are pressing together nice and tight. Good. 5, let's just do about 8 today. And 6, lower lift and in. Inhale, 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 exhale. One more, inhale, 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 exhale. Good, hands back to the shoulder rest. You're gonna push your chest open and get a big old stretch across your chest. Here we go. And press, lower lift, 1. And a press, lower lift, 2. Inhale, 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 exhale. Press, lower lift, 4. Halfway home. Press, lower lift, 5. And press, lower lift, 6. And press, lower lift, 7. One more. Press, lower lift, 8. Try keep the carriage still. Still as you can. Reach your arms outside. High fifth. Here we go. And press, lower lift, 1. And she's having a good time. 2. Now, dare I tell her to keep her ribs in without getting hit? 3. I dared, and she did it. 4. Those would be your external obliques that are firing to help you. 5. 6. 2 more. Lower lift, 7. Last time, press, lower lift, good. Reach those arms forward, we're gonna twist it out and open it. Press, lower lift, get taller as you come in. And press, lower lift, 2. We're gonna do 8. Press, lower lift, 3. Press, lower lift, 4. Press, lower lift, 5. Press, lower lift, 6. 2 more. Press, lower lift, 7. 1 more. Press, lower lift. You made it. 8. And rest. Very, very, very good. Okay, because we haven't had enough of a workout today, we're going to do 1 leg pull down. All right, so this is like Grand Battement in dance. And we're gonna do 5 where we come to a neutral pelvis range and about 90 if you have that much hamstring. And then we're gonna do another 5 in whatever full range you have. This is gonna be good for gymnasts and dancers that have a big old full range, but the regular person may not wanna do that full range. That's fine. Okay, so we're gonna have 1 spring, foot bar goes down, and then you're gonna just take 1 strap and put that strap on 1 foot. I suppose we could do it on 2 feet. That would be exciting. Okay, so we're gonna start with the non-strapped leg down, long, abs are in, and then, oh, this is a great place to feel our left rib and our right hip connect, isn't it? Okay, so starting at a roughly around 90 in neutral pelvis. Inhale, exhale. Go down and bring the legs together. Let's do turnout. Heels together, toes apart. Good. And then bring it back up. You can do parallel or turnout. We're going to do turnout. And again, 2, exhale on the way down, and inhale on the way up. Feels okay? Good. And 3, and bring it up. 4, and bring it up. Last one of these. 5. Now, you're going to bring that leg up, and you can go to as much flexibility as you can, and you can also go into a little imprint as long as you reach that opposite leg away, and then feel that control as you come back in. 1. Exciting, yes? And then bring it back. So this is really a good thing for dancers, too, so that they learn how to control the leg through a larger range of motion. 3, and have the strength all the way to their end range. 2 more. 4, and it gets quite a bit of work on the standing leg as well, yeah? 5. Good. All right, go ahead, bring it in, and we'll change legs. So take the strap off that leg. Good. So left leg is going to go long and turned out. Right leg is up, and you're going to be at about 90, and you're trying to square your hips the best you can, staying in neutral. Deep breath. Press it down. Heels come together and kiss. 1. And then reach it out and up. And 2. Reach it out and up. And 3. And she's really using her breath here, I can tell you. And 4. One more time. And 5. Okay, full range. Bring it up. Nice big long extension. And then bring it back together. 1. And bring it out and up. 2. Bring it out and up. 3. Bring it out and up. 4. Meditate if you need to. There's only one more. And 5. Very good. Bring it up. Excellent. All right, take that strap off and take a little rest if you like. And then when you're ready, we're going to go into long spine. All right, so we'll come up. We're going to do 2 springs. And then Malia's going to pull her carriage out a little bit. So what this will do is it makes it a little bit more work on her abs to get up, but it takes a little bit of pressure on her back, off her back on the way down. So what you're going to do is put the straps on your feet, and then we can do it parallel or turned out, but we're going to do it parallel today. And we're going to do a hinge. So this isn't the full advanced one where you keep the hip open. We're going to let the hip close a little bit. So crease at the hip and bring the legs up. And then you're going to peel your spine off, just like short spine. Bring it all the way in if you can. Then you'll separate your legs, press the legs out a little bit, and then roll down. But you don't have to keep your hips totally open on the way down. They can close. How is that on your back? Good. And again, legs together and up, and we roll up, peeling the spine off, bringing the carriage to the stopper with grace and control. Separate those legs a bit, and then we roll down. So this is just like the rollover that we do on mat work, except for it's on the reformer, and bring it together. And again, bring it up, neutral, and then roll through neutral, peel that spine off. Good. Separate the legs, press to the feet a little bit, and then start to roll down. And bring it together. One more this way. Bring it up and peel it off. Separate and roll it down. Gorgeous. Let's go the other way. Separate, bring those legs up, and then roll it up. Bring the legs together, press through the feet a bit, and then roll it down. Nice. 1. And that was okay on your back as well. Separate and bring it up. And roll it up. Bring those legs together. Press the legs out a little bit and roll it down. And again, apart and up and roll it up. Together and press out a little bit and roll it down. One more. Apart and up and roll up. And bring the legs together and press out a little bit and roll down. Gorgeous. All right, take those straps off your feet and come on up.